Not even surprised you're in here already. It's DeJohn checking in with you from Sandusky, Ohio at a Fairfield Inn by Marriott. And unfortunately all the rooms are the same here, so I got nothing to show off. But let's take a tour. So I wanted to let you in on this travel secret, which is a collapsible water bottle. It's 18 ounces, 500 milliliters, and it collapses down to 1 inch. You remove the lid and expand it, and then you're able to fill it up with water. It's great for having while you travel through airport so that you don't have to buy $8 bottles of water. It's also great to pair this with a gear tie, which is a reusable twist tie, around the top of it, and once you wrap it around like so, you can attach it to your bag. And remember, whatever you do, don't subscribe because I don't want anyone knowing our secrets.